today we're going to be unboxing the $220,000. Make sure you subscribe. Hello everybody, Monty Reed here, and today we're going to be unboxing the $220,000. It comes in $10,000 packs. These are $10,000 each. $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, $80,000, $90,000, $100,000, $110,000, $120,000, $130,000. $140,000, $150,000, $160,000, $170,000, $180,000, $190,000, $200,000, $210,000, $220,000. Let's take a look at one of these here. I'll do it so you can see the serial numbers here. So that is the unboxing of $220,000. Now you're not actually going to get $220,000 in the mail. This is not that prop money. This is the real stuff. And so you actually have to call the bank, place an order in advance. They have to have their heightened security, armed guards. You have to personally have your own security as well. And but it is so amazing. And the only reason I share this with you is I want to encourage you to write your goals down, set your goals, and dream and achieve. I was disabled. I was broken back, unemployed, almost homeless. Never personally actually been homeless because my family always invited me back into my home. I've met a lot of people that have been homeless and they've been able to build their lives back up. But I did have a time in my life where I did my grocery shopping at the food bank. And I couldn't work a regular job. I had to start my own business. And so I would encourage you, first of all, to look at your monthly expenses, how much you spend, how much you need to be spending, and try to figure out a way to save 10% if you possibly can. If any way you possibly can, put 10% away, and then give away 10%. And also reinvest in yourself. B.F. Goodrich is famous for having invested lots of money. I don't know, in today's dollars it'd be probably hundreds of millions. It was 100 years ago, so I don't remember exactly how much, but he's famous for having invested in lots of other ventures. And when he approached his deathbed, what he realized and what he's quoted, he's famous for quoting, that if he would have kept his money in his own industry, the industry he knew, that if he would have reinvested in his own business, that he would have always made more money back. And that most of the money that he invested out into things he didn't know, he lost money on. And so I recommend that you find something you're truly passionate about and focus on that. Find a way to either start your own business or get a career in that job. And while you're training for it, preparing for it, find some kind of work that's related to it. And find something you're passionate about. And if you're currently not making enough, set your goal to increase your income only by 10%. Don't set your goal to, open a box of $220,000. Don't set your goal to get $1 million in the lottery. It's just not going to happen. Most people's subconscious mind can only process a 10% increase or improvement. So if you're currently making $10 an hour, set your goal to make $11 an hour. Your subconscious mind will accept that. If you set your goal to go from 10 to 20, most people, now some people can, but most people, their subconscious mind will say, you're kidding yourself, you're fooling yourself, it's not going to work, don't do it. And so you need to set a goal at 10% of an increase of 10%. So if you're currently making $100 a day, set your goal to make $110 a day. If you're bringing in $2,000 a month, set your goal to bring in $2,200. As soon as you increase your income, Even if you don't hit the goal of 2,200, as soon as your income goes up to 2,100, reset your goal to increase it by another 10%, which is another 210. So you got to do the math. I think it's like 2,310. I don't know the math, but you got to figure it out. But what you need to do is work with your subconscious. Don't let your subconscious fight you. Find something you're passionate about and make a difference. Make a change. Choose to change. Choose your life. Choose your future. You have a choice, and you can decide your future. So that's the unboxing of the $220,000. I hope you enjoy it, and I want to encourage you to go after your dreams, go after your drives, go after your passions. Find something you're passionate about, and go after that. It's Monty Reed encouraging you to live your dreams. Have a great day. This is Monty Reed for YouTube. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe. Keep thriving, my friends.